Hi, this is Gail Miller from Lantronix, and welcome to our fourth and final episode where we talk about the solutions and products that Lantronix offers. Today, we're very excited to be talking about ConsoleFlow, which is our cloud-based SaaS software that operates many of our products. If you saw our last episode on out-of-band management, ConsoleFlow was mentioned there. So today, to showcase this information, we have two experts from Lantronix. First, Robert Wood, our Senior Product Line Manager for Platforms and Management Software, and our expert Senior Field Application Engineer, David Gilbert. Let's welcome them. Hello, gentlemen.
I'd be happy to give our audience an overview of ConsoleFlow and, as you mentioned, our cloud-based device management platform. ConsoleFlow provides a ready-to-use web application to perform device operations, automation, and control. And ConsoleFlow can also be deployed in on-premise secure environments. The data in ConsoleFlow is always encrypted, whether it's in flight or at rest, so you're always assured that your data is secure. ConsoleFlow provides secure access to all your globally distributed devices through a single pane of glass, even during network outages. For our out-of-band data center customers, you can easily explore to find a specific switch, router, or server connected to a managed port. And so that allows you to remotely connect to a specific device from anywhere. And now you can log into that device, view its status, update its configuration, or troubleshoot the issue that may occur during a network outage. With true zero-touch automation, you can create firmware and configuration updates for all your deployed devices. So when the devices check into ConsoleFlow, they will automatically get updated with no user interaction. And so instead of talking about ConsoleFlow, let's go ahead and hand it over to David Gilbert and to provide us a great flyby of ConsoleFlow so you can see its features in action. David?
Hi, Robert. Thanks very much. What we're looking at here is the Explore view of ConsoleFlow, where you are able to see in a hierarchical view all your devices that are deployed out in your network. And over to the right of that, you can see a quick visual status. Everything is green and good right now. You can see the device name and some other location-based information, and most importantly, your primary interface. And here we can see we have a device that's failed over to LTE. It's on its cellular interface. We can quickly go in and investigate California to see how widespread that outage might be. We see that in San Francisco, we're all good. We're on the primary interface. So we'll investigate this device further. And by doing that, we just click into it, where we can see information about the device. We quickly see the connected device ports, and we see that the router is still reachable. We simply hover and connect to the device, and that will put us on the device's management interface, where we can log in and investigate the network outage.
So David, what you were able to do here is remotely locate a device and securely log in to be able to troubleshoot a device connected on a managed port, whether it's a switch, router, or server, to be able to remediate an issue.
Exactly, Robert. And here you can see we have lost all of our routes, so clearly there's an issue with this router. We'll have to investigate that later on. So now we can go back to our Explore view and investigate that later on. Not only can you see the status of the router, but you can investigate your telemetry items. You can go in and configure the device, either view and edit your configurations. And after you've done so, you can create templates from those configurations, which can be used later on, either interactively with other devices or for your zero-touch provisioning, which Robert mentioned earlier. We can also back up and restore device configurations very easily, as well as retrieve and download log files for further analysis.
So David, also what we have here is down the left side of the main menu, we have access to operations from a global standpoint. So you can go into monitoring, where you can set up rules and notifications for the events that you may that may occur within your network. You can also do CLI commands and run scripts and do performance monitoring and do full user administration to create user groups and permissions, etc. for all your users. David, thanks for the overview of ConsoleFlow. And as you can see, ConsoleFlow gives us that remote secure access to devices to be able to perform the operations that we need, do the automation that you need, and also to provide the control to be able to go in and to remediate issues and resolve the problems that you may have when network outages occur or you're having an issue with certain devices. So, yeah.
Thank you, Robert and David. What an excellent overview of our ConsoleFlow SaaS offering. I want to thank you. And this being our last video in the series, I want to make mention of the fact that we've now taken you through an overview of Lantronix solutions, talked specifically about network switching and our DMS software, into our out-of-band products and solutions, to our cloud-based SaaS offering as well. So now you have a wonderful overview on what Lantronix brings to your customers. So whatever challenges they have, we have the solution. Please check us out on the ingrammicro.com site. And of course, don't hesitate to check us out on lantronix.com as well. Thank you.